Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and our Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back up here in Liberty, Missouri. We are in the process now of finishing the tunneling under the footing for the remaining King Pier holes. As you know from our previous video, on Friday we installed about 11 of the 34 total piers that are going under the footing of this commercial building. So we are in the process now of just trying to get the next set of holes done so we can get all the piers installed by the end of the week. We have just a little bit of tunneling we need to do underneath, which we should be able to make quick work on. Yeah, you can see right here, we're just kind of getting everything squared up before we start tunneling underneath. It's not too far that we have to go, about a foot and a half inward to make sure we have enough space for our load-bearing steel plate and our King Pier. One reminder on this project: this is not an actual lift that we've been contracted to do. The customers want us to basically just support the footing. They're doing a lot of work with the electrical and HVAC at the top of the building, so they didn't want any raise to be done that might interfere with that, which is fine with us. We're just going to lightly raise the piers about maybe a 1/4 inch, just to make sure that it's tight against the underside of the footing, and then lock it into place. So once we have all the piers done, I believe we're on track for concrete the beginning of next week, Monday or Tuesday. We should have everything concreted, and then we'll just need to backfill, and this project will be wrapped up. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, we're going to be looking to get the rest of the piers installed by Thursday or Friday, and then we'll get everything prepped so we can get the concrete trucks out here early next week and wrap this one up and move on to the next one. So again, King Piers out here in Liberty, Missouri. 816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always check out our current and past project videos on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, I'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.